Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Guess where I am? I'm in Hobby Lobby. I do not have that many Hobby Lobbies in the area where I live. All of them are located pretty far from me, like 40 minutes away. And I had a chance of visiting one. I went to the ocean for the weekend, and over there was the Hobby Lobby next to our hotel. So I decided to visit one. And they really, in comparison to Michael's and to Joanne, there are a lot of diamond painting kits. I guess Hobby Lobby has the most diamond painting kits represented in their stores in comparison to others. And if diamond dots are more or less like for the beginner, for the beginners, they are either partial or not really very difficult to complete, like the I would say the beginning level. Then, but when it comes to Diamond Tower Club ones, um, of course there are a lot of kids that you wouldn't see in Joanne and in Michael's. At Michael's, I've never actually seen the Diamond Art Club kids. So I'm going to purchase a few kits from Diamond Art Club because all of them are 40% off, including diamond dots. But I don't really like any of the diamond dots, and those that I like already completed. So I'm going to purchase this kit. The original price is $60, so it should be like 35 bucks. I'm also thinking of purchasing these two. I'm still contemplating because this one is kind of expensive. So it will be around like maybe what, $38. So if you have Hobby Lobby nearby, hurry up. I guess today is the last day of their 40% sale on diamond paintings, and not only. And in a second I will show you the kits that I actually ended up purchasing. So in the end, I ended up purchasing these three beautiful large diamond art club kits. One is Wolf Dreamcatcher. Here it is. All of them were on sale, so the original price was $50. Let's round it up. I bought it for $30. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit. The size is 42 by 60 centimeters. It includes Aurora Borealis, two colors of Aurora Borealis, plus one special shaped color. Here it is. I do not think I will be diamond painting it. I'm thinking of giving this kit away as a gift, but it is not 100% sure yet. Now, the next one is Space for Reflection by Chuck Pinson, 55 centimeters, 55 by 74 centimeters. Beautiful landscape image. You know, I love landscapes, and I think in this very kit there is a huge room for customization, specifically the light in the windows, plus orange ABs can be used. And this kit also includes two Aurora Borealis colors, which is great, and 44 colors of resin drills. And the last kit is Black and White by Deborah Lewis. I do not like diamond painting animals, as you know, but I really like this image. I don't know why. Those beautiful winter snowy branches looks amazing, something magical in it. This is a small kit, 32 by 45 centimeters. And this kit also includes one Aurora Borealis color plus 16 colors of resin drills. This cost $29.99. I bought it for $17. And this one, the original price is 60 bucks. I bought it for $36. I rounded it up. So hurry. I am afraid that the sale will end tomorrow, if not today, which is Saturday. Beautiful kids. And I also purchased this one, although that was not on sale. I don't know why. Maybe the sales associate just forgot to give me discount, not sure. So that one was $10.99, and that's how much I paid for it. These are just bracelets for the kids. I will replace all the drills with the crystals. And I also purchased this beautiful pen. It comes with the 4 and 7 placers. I use 7 placer a lot. The original price was $14. I bought it for $15. So in my next video, we are going to unbox the pen and one of these kids. So stay tuned. And this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.